line splitting by thresholds. We have improved the Render Transforms API to allow for splitting lines at thresholds. Previously, the entire segment of a line would be colored, but now you can split the line and insert an extra point to achieve more precise threshold coloring. The documentation includes examples and interactive code pens, where you can play around with line splitting by thresholds. We've added tools for memory leak debugging. These include tests and best practices for initializing and cleaning up charts. Use these tests to help identify memory issues in your own applications. GitHub contains examples to demonstrate how to avoid memory leaks in your applications. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out the other videos in this series to explore more SciChart.js 3.4 updates, optimizing performance and customization for your charts.